Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I don't have anything new to show you. I've actually been working on a bunch of orders and stuff, so I don't have anything new that's currently that I can kind of show. It's just my regular stuff. But I haven't posted a video in a little while, so I figured I would just pop on and do this super cute little random video. So I love to watch PS Toy reviews. They do all kinds of blind bag unboxings and stuff like that. The favorite that I love to watch there on them is watching them open the LOL dolls, which are so super cute, and it's actually, could say, a guilty pleasure of mine because I think they're so cute. So they had recently had a blind bag unboxing of these cute new little fingerlings. And I'll link the video down below that I had watched, but they literally opened an entire box and only had one unicorn. And I absolutely love unicorns. I've been had collected unicorns way back in the early 80s, late 70s. And then of course it went away and now it's back full force and it's so cool. So I'm glad to see that they're back. So I still have my unicorn addiction from 30 plus years ago. So I recently, well not recently, quite a few months ago, I had purchased this really, really cute unicorn fingerling. And it's the ones that make all the sounds and stuff. And right now it's actually holding a little sis LOL doll, which is so cute. And let me show you what else I have. They don't fall all out. So I have on my craft shelves, I had these sitting here and they kept falling over. So I actually created, let's see if I can tilt it, a little couch. So they all sit up on this cute little couch that I made. And super cute. I wish I was this creative when I was little because I would probably have the most amazing dollhouse and dollhouse furniture. Whoops. So anyway, I had watched the PS Toy review opening on these little cute little fingerling minis, and I really, really wanted the unicorn. And right now I am on a personal spending freeze. Excuse me. Because winters are very tough, so I'm trying to get as much bills as I can caught up now. So I don't have the money to go out and like keep buying these hoping I get a unicorn. So when I watched their opening, there's just a thin little plastic shell on only half of it. And all the monkeys have the all the monkeys have the ears that are further on the sides of the head, so here and here, where the unicorn, the ears were here. So I was like, and I watched when they opened it and there wasn't much. So I kind of cheated a little bit. And I found these at my Walmart. So I started feeling the bags. And this one, I think, is the unicorn. I'm not sure. I'm going to open it here and then see if it ended up being the unicorn that I wanted. Because I'm not going to be able to afford to keep buying blind bags hoping for the unicorn one. So let's see. And then I'll show you more specifically, if it's the unicorn one, how I did it. So I haven't opened it yet. Oh, I think it is. And it's a purple one. Yay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at it. It's so cute. And I know they're supposed to be, is there a charm? Oops, there's something else. So it has little bananas. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. It's the purple one. Look at it. It's so cute. So anyway, I'll show you how I figured it out by watching the PS Toys reviews thing. So let me get it back in here. So I saw that they were in this little bubble shell, and it's not really holding it there because you can see it falls out. So all I did was take the bags and I felt for, let's see if I can zoom in more. Alright, so all I did was in the bags, I felt to see if I can find like the ears, because the monkey's ears are much lower. So if you go watch their video, you can see that. So the ears are much lower, so you can feel the ears on the sides. And this one, when I felt it, I could feel the 3 points like easy to touch. So anyway, so cute. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy I got that one. So now I can replace, see if it will fit. Oh, it does. Look at that. Aw, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. Sorry, little sis. You've been replaced. Oh my god. And it's purple too, so it's super cute because then my bigger fingerling is white. Of course, when I got the white one, I didn't realize there was the other colors, or I'm not sure if there was the other colors at the original time. So cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. Anyway, I know this isn't quite my normal video, but like I said, I didn't have anything else to show you. So I figured I would just pop on and then see if my fingers felt right. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And till next time, happy crafting. Bye, guys.